Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about my favorite day. My favorite day is Sunday. I like Sunday very much. On Sunday, I do not work. I wake up late in the morning. I feel relaxed and happy. I have breakfast slowly at home. On this day, I spend time with my family. We talk together and laugh. Sometimes I visit my friends. Sometimes I watch TV or rest. Sunday is calm and quiet. It helps me feel ready for a new week. Sunday is my favorite day. Thank you for listening. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about my dream. I have a simple dream. My dream is to speak English well. I want to understand English easily. I want to speak without fear. I practice English every day. I listen, read, and repeat. English helps me learn new things. It helps me talk to new people. In the future, I want a good life. I want to be confident and successful. I believe in my dream. I work hard every day. This is my dream. Thank you for listening. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about my house. I live in a small house. My house is simple and clean. There are 2 bedrooms in my house. There is a living room and a kitchen. In the living room, I sit and relax. I watch TV or talk with my family. In the kitchen, we cook food. We eat together every day. My house is quiet and comfortable. I feel safe and happy at home. I like my house very much. Thank you for listening.